So we are going to see where instance variables live. Here instance variables live. Okay. So instance variables live within the object in the heap area. So here let me write instance variables live inside heap without. Let me write it here. Mobile public class mobile, and inside it we have the int screen size and string processor name. Now suppose we have a reference type. Here we have an instance variable which is a reference variable which points to some other object. Just like in case of our this mobile class, suppose this brand of this mobile is Life. Okay, suppose this brand is Life. So here we have a reference LYF. Okay, so we have a reference LYF Life, simply like this. Okay, so this is our Life class LYF, this is our Life class, and we have a reference variable for the Life, and this, since this is outside of any method, that is here it will be main method or any method, and inside the class, so these three are instance variables. Instance variables. Now let us see what happens where this live. Okay, so when we write the line, mobile m is equal to new mobile, here let us write and create the object for the mobile object. Mobile m is equal to new mobile. At this line, a new mobile object is created in the heap area. Okay, so here suppose this is stack and this is heap. So in the heap area we are going, this is our heap area, and inside this heap area we are going to have our mobile object. So suppose this is your mobile object. Okay, and this mobile object will contain, since these are instance variable and instance variable live with the object, so screen size, processor name and life, these three will be here. This screen size, processor name and life, that is the reference variable which is a instance variable. This will also live here inside the mobile, but this is of type life. Okay, these three instance variables, that is primitives and also the reference variable which is instance variable, these all live with the object inside the heap area. Now when we write this object, when we write life is equal to new LYF, at this time what will happen, a new object will be created in the heap area, and this will be of type life. Okay, and since we are assigning this object to life reference, so this reference here from the mobile will point to this object. Okay, now I think you are clear with this concept, that till now here it was only a reference. We have not created and assigned a new object, that is new life object for this reference LYF. So now at this line we have created a new object of the life, and we are assigning this back, that is equal to sign back to this life reference. So here in the heap area a new object is created of the type life, and this is assigned to the life reference which is lying inside the mobile object. Okay, Suppose this life class is declared here, and inside it we have some instance variables, that is primitive, suppose in size and in height, display height, whatever, and some reference variable, that is suppose card type, that is memory card type. Okay, that is memory card type. So what will happen, these three instance variable, that is life instance variable, these will lie inside here, that is the same concept as that of the mobile, and the height and the card, that is memory card here, and this is a reference variable, not a primitive one. So it will contain, if the object for this card, memory card, will be created, then this will contain and this will point to that object. Since we have not assigned, created and assigned a new object, that is memory card object for this card, so it is just lying there and it is not pointing to anywhere. So the point to note that instance variables are always created in the heap, not in the stack. They have nothing to do with the stack. They are always created in the heap. They live with the object. They live inside the object in the heap area. Okay, friends. So if you have any doubt, any problem, then you can comment below in the comment section, and I will be there available, and I will comment and clarify your doubts. Thank you, friends. Thank you for being with me.